Hey guys, what is going on? Josh here from the Defi guys. An exciting update for emp.money today. Nearly at $500 per day with this protocol. And you guys can see the brand new dashboard right here. That's what we're going to introduce to you today. So if you're looking forward to the content within this video, go ahead, drop the video like, subscribe to the channel, and take the bell icon to be notified of all updates on all projects that I am in to date. So if you're looking to potentially duplicate my success, this channel is for you. And not only just my success, but also my failures. I'm just simply documenting my journey, just a normal guy here on YouTube, showing you guys exactly what it is that I'm doing. So please do not construe what I'm saying in this video or any of my videos as financial advice. I am not an authorized financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research and be responsible for your own investments at the end of the day. I just simply do my best to show you guys the projects, the utility, what my projections are, so on and so forth. So here we are right now. We're in the brand new dashboard, and I will include this link in the description below of emp.money. And you can see on the dashboard right here, we've got peg health, which is really cool to know about. So this will tell us whether the boardroom is printing or not, the time till the next epoch, and the total value locked, which is 41 million. Guys, there's a huge vision here with AJ and the rest of the team to get to $1 billion locked here in EMP. And I think that's very possible with the right partnerships, the right marketing, the right team, and the right community. And I think we really have everything that we need to make that happen and gradually make progress. I've been in this project since the beginning, since we were at 1 million TVL, 10 million, 20 million, and now we are at 41 million at the time of the creation of this video. This has been one of the most stable projects in the bear market that I have been a part of. Made a lot of money here personally. So you can actually see here, once again, the peg health, next epoch, total value locked. And then here you can actually learn how to invest on emp.money. So this is something that you definitely want to watch if you are brand new to emp.money. I'm also going to include some links below in the description that will also help you get started, along with previous update videos that I've made. So I've been vested in different parts of this project. I have been vested into the farm. I've taken profits. Right now, at the time of the creation of this video, I'm not currently in the farm. I think it's important that on the way up that we take profits in any protocol where we can, while keeping the protocol healthy. So it doesn't mean that I'm not going to get back into the farms. That's something that I will do at some point. But this is really cool because you have an overview of how much you're making in the farms, in the detonator, on the nodes, and in the boardroom. Now, the nodes are really good, and so is the detonator, to providing health in the overall protocol and keep us near or even above peg. So the detonator and the nodes help us lock up our EMP ETH, and they help us to stabilize the overall price. And that really is the goal, is we want to be printing from the boardroom as much as we can. So as we click some of these different links, you can see the boardroom right here. You could see peg, you could see the phase, and you can see the APR right now. Like right now, we're not printing because we're not at 1.01 or above. We're actually really dang close right now, and we will eventually hit that at some point. But you could go ahead and stake your e-shares. You can claim right here, and then you can also claim and unstake right there. So that's the boardroom. And then at any point, you can go back to the dashboard here, and you can view your nodes right here. From nano all the way up to giga nodes. You can see the total value locked on the nodes right there. And it's really cool. I mean, if you look at the graphics, the way that they've redone the interface is badass, to say the least. I really love it. I love the flow. I love how smooth it is. I love how easy it is to navigate. And then we have the detonator here, which connects to the legacy, the old website that you can see right here for now, until they go ahead and they finish that part of the site. But you can see that my total deposit is $100,000. I've claimed. Now, my claim section includes whatever I've compounded as well as whatever I've claimed, and you can see my max payout. So as it stands right now, $265,000 that I can actually claim at the current price of EMP and ETH. Now, the projection is this is going to continue to go up as we achieve new all-time highs, as the price of ETH continues to go up. My overall deposited value and max payout is going to go up, as well as my daily burst. So you can see right now, we're back up to roughly $500 per day on my daily burst, and we're just going to continue to compound, guys. So we're just going to click here. We're going to compound. The detonator is definitely my favorite, most favorite part of the protocol. So if you want to go ahead and get started with the detonator, there's going to be a link below so you can get started. One of the things that I love that keeps this part of the protocol super stable is you have a random depositor prize, and then you have a top deposit prize that you can win. And the random deposit lottery prize, which is right here, and the value right now is $54,829 that you can win, is any random depositor or compounder can win this. I've actually won it once, and you can see that my lottery rewards are just over approximately $31,428 that I've earned from the lottery. Just free money, you guys. And then if you want to earn on referrals, you can do that as well. You can see my number of referrals. So people are loving the detonator, super bullish, got over 100 referrals here. And then the top depositor is just simply the person that deposits the most EMP LP tokens. And what you can do is, the way that it works is you can actually click the Zap In button. And when you click the Zap In button, you can actually deposit BNB, ETH, or your eShares, and you can deposit any amount that you want. It will automatically convert to an EMP ETH token, and it will deposit here in the detonator. Now, you cannot take out your principal. You can only take out that 1% interest per day, and you'll earn back 365%. And you can extend those earnings by continuing to compound as well. So you'll be able to to extend not just 365 days, but 365% plus whatever you continue to compound, and increase those amount of days in which you're compounding and taking profits. So everything's looking super, super bullish here on EMP. Obviously, there's other projects like Drip that are just ridiculously bullish right now too as well. Drip's actual website at the time of the creation of this video is now at $9.22 freaking cents. So guys, the sentiment of the market, if we go to CoinMarketCap, we can see, ETH went on a bullish run all the way up to $1,700, as much as $1,745 in the last 24 hours, which is unbelievable. Completely recovered from right around $800 to $900. Bitcoin really, really bullish right now. The market is looking awesome, and I'm looking forward to new all-time highs. So now is the time to re-engage in crypto. Now is the time to potentially do your own research and jump back in. And the people that decided to invest at the bottom are the people that are now benefiting. It's all about deploying a lot of patience. And even people that invested towards the tops in some of these protocols are in really, really good health because they've been compounding like myself each and every day. Guys, I deposited $50,000 that's now worth, through compounding, $100,000, as well as lottery plus some referrals. And that's a beautiful thing. That's what's called deploying patience. People that are not patient don't deserve the reward, and you're going to see this on my channel. This theme is going to continue, that the people that are patient are the people that are heavily rewarded. So I want to continue to motivate. I want to continue to inspire. I want to continue to show you guys what's possible. We've got the pool balance at 5.4 million. This continues to go up every single day because of the gamification, because more and more people want to try and earn this total deposit prize. So will that be you? It could be. Look at the top depositor right now. it's 6,000. So this person could potentially win $55,000. Will they? It's very, very possible. There's 13 minutes left. So you'll see towards the end of this, there will be higher depositors, higher amounts, and you're going to see that pool balance increase before that 24 hours is up. Now, if you don't compound or claim within that 24-hour time frame, the rewards go back to zero and they start over. So you got to make sure that every single day before this hits zero that you are compounding. And I think that's kind of a cool thing because it makes people come back here. It actually will lengthen the lifetime of the protocol as a whole. And it's just, all these different things that, good devs are doing are, increasing overall livelihood. It's creating more bullish price action and amongst other things. So a lot of great things happening with EMP. Make sure that you guys head over here. You check out the new interface. Again, from the side panel here, you can also see the detonator nodes, boardroom, bond, ETH staking, auto compounder here if you want to check out the auto compounders over on Magic, Beefy, and Yield Wolf. So those offer some special APRs too as well. And you've got ETH staking right here if you want to go ahead and stake ETH for a certain lockup period, and you'll receive a specific APR as well there. So cool, a lot of great things. And you can actually execute a specific strategy too as well and go ahead and approve it between, the boardroom and, the farm. So this is really, really cool. Make sure that you guys watch the emp.money free academy videos so you understand how this works if you don't understand it in its entirety. And as well, I will list another link separately for the boardroom, or I'm sorry, not the boardroom, but for the actual detonator, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Again, this is my number one product within emp.money. So again, the links will be in the description. I'll continue to update you guys on emp.money and the detonator and any other project that I'm in. So make sure that you've liked the video, subscribe to the channel, take the bell icon. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Take care.